Right, now Dax79 here. I'm going to check out this. It's sold as a festival trolley wagon. I'm going to use it for clean washing to the washing line trolley. It's by a company called BELEEV. And at this moment, it's usually £69 for this. It's £66.49 right now. So let's get in first. Right, so this is a unboxing rather than a review. So I'm unboxing it and checking it out and seeing what I think as a customer. Dear valid customer, warranties. I'll get rid of them. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. How much stuff can come out of one box? Oh. Okay, I seem to have 3 wheels at the moment. Alright, let's have a little look. So everything's wrapped up really well. Bubble wrap. And then we've also got foam. We've got pins for the wheels. Nice smooth wheel. So there we go. 2 wheels. Oh, here we go. We've got one with a lock. Got a locking mechanism for you putting your foot on. Nice and red. Lock, unlock. Excellent. It'll be even more excellent once we find the 4th wheel. Guess that's the undercarriage. That's the underside of it. Or should we say the tray that goes inside. It weighs a lot. It feels a bit like a travel cot. The trolley itself. Have we got the 4th wheel? There we go. 4th wheel. We have a booklet. And this is called a garden cart. So the website's calling it a festival trolley. I guess they change the name depending on the time of year. It's coming up to summer, so getting everyone ready for Glastonbury. We have a page of instructions. We have 2 front wheels with the red locks on. 2 rear wheels, removable 600D. A removable 600D. And the main thing itself. Watch me cut through the material. The one strap that's specially made for it will be near the thing, and I'll cut through it. So it's looking like it's just a travel cot. So it's a travel cot on wheels, basically. If I remember correctly, from many years ago when I had a baby, you just push the... You don't turn... Oh, no. I think I'm doing it in like probably the worst place. Do you think doing it here was a bad idea? Yeah. 1 wheel, 2 wheel, and the front wheel, and the front wheel. This thing is huge. And this thing turns into the bag as well. It's like a travel cot. Baby sleep, wrap the baby up. BELEEV. It's a BELEEV trolley. So as you can see, it's a very good size. The wheels on it, all-terrain wide wheels, they get to call them. I've got a handle here. It's got a little button so it can clip and go up and down. So it can be longer or shorter, depending on what you want. So it's got locks underneath. You might have seen these before. They're on a few things. So you press it down, hard, click it and lock it like so. And on top of it, there's a release dial, which you click with your foot like that to release it. Nice and easy. Nice handle, nice grip. I think you could probably pull a kid in this. So along the sides here, you can see it's a strong structure. It's got some pockets that flip over. So on the side, it's got 3 pockets on the side. Great place for putting a newspaper and stuff. Hasn't got anything on the back. On the other side, as you can see, you can see the little clips on the side that just go over the framework. You just pop them over, and they're also on the other side, underneath the bag. On the front here, you've got 2 things here that can hold a couple of bottles of water, 2 cup holders. Or if you're filming, it'd be a good place to put some lenses, maybe. It's really good. It's far bigger than I was expecting, to be quite honest. It's like a jack-in-a-box. Woohoo! It packs really small for in the back of your car, and then when you get to your festival, you just flip it open. That's pretty cool. So that's a big 5 out of 5 star for that thing. It's really good. I really like it. Anyway, more videos coming soon, now that I've got somewhere to actually make videos. It's been a long year. Bye-bye.